Your birthday wish.
Hello, Sanan!
Hello.
Eh,
Nothing wish.
birthday wish ko sa kanya.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Birthday wish ko sa kanya, sana matutunan siya mag-Tagalog. And, more blessings pa. Kapag for you. And magpakabit ka mabuti. Yan.
Are we ready? How about you, Jules?
Birthday wish? Stay down to earth and don't let stardom get to your head. Because she has a lot of shows now. She's becoming very famous, but yeah, just stay the same.
Yes. Thank you,
Debo
bro.
mo, di ba? Debo.
Po?
Debo mo.
Opo.
How about you, James? How about you?
I turned 18,
18
May
years
11.
pa rin. Debo.
Opo.
Ang nagbigay ng...
Ako kaming May.
Ang nagbigay ng party is...
Javon fans po namin. Wow. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you to all the Javon fans so much.
Kasi before, di ba hindi kayo nag-press ko ng Javon fans? Before. Dito rin, di ba? Press ko before. Yung parang sa mga gatherings dito.
Ayan,
Fans
the
Day ba yun?
the first meet and greet.
Meet and greet?
Meron pa sa Nandit. Yan.
Ano gusto yung sabihin sa mga fans?
Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Nagpapasama po talaga ako ng marami dahil sa inyo. Yun, sana successful yung party yan and keep supporting us guys. We love you so much. Yun, note kayo ng good vibes and mula sa puso. Sabi!
Nasa puso ka na rin.
Amo!
Very famous. Yes,
Famous.
thank you to all the fans, especially the global fans.
Yes.
It's already been a year, but they're still supporting us as much as they were back in PvP. Thank you so much.
Nandito ba yung family nyo to celebrate with you?
Opo,
Parents, mga
yung family ko.
How about you, Jay?
My family is they're all in
Wala pa rin.
Australia.
Hindi ba sad because they're not here? Aren't you sad?
No, not really. I'm gonna visit them soon.
Gift for each.
Other.
Meron ka bang gift sa kanya? Si Devon ba? May gift for you? Lalo na siya, Devon niya, 80.
Yeah, I do, but
What is
it's
it?
only for her. I don't want anyone else to see.
Secret?
Secret gift. It's a jewelry.
Ring?
Ayun.
Ikaw.
Secret din. Ayun.
Hindi niya ibibigay tonight. Kasi di ba, kailan niya ibibigay yung mga gifts? O naibigay na ba?
Hindi pa. Ibibigay pa lang. Tomorrow, bro. May plan ka?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, itis nyo naman anong gift yun? Kahit
Sorry.
na small lang, idea. Ang gift ko kay James is...
Ano ba gift mo sa akin?
Boxing gloves.
Boxing glove.
She loves to punch people. I don't know. It's very strong.
How about you, Devon?
Secret kasi kahit konti lang para ma-detect na niya. Yun.
Aha, para ba to sa pag-taping niya?
Magagamit,
Magagamit ba niya sa
gamit ba yan? Or,
Kapag maboboard siya.
iPad?
Ay! Grabe!
Laptop?
Yan.
Sino-sino yung mga nandito ngayon sa inyong birthdays? Friends, sino-sino? Pa-mention yung mga names.
PBB, everyone we're taping with. Good Vibes Cast.
Sino pa? Enrique, nandyan.
Yung mga MC, and shoutout. Shoutout friends.
Si Enrique, si Aaron, banggitin nyo lang iba yung mga friends na nandun sa taas.
Ayan. Oh, mga PBB po namin mga friends like sila Joe, Patrick, Aslav, Brian Bang.
Everyone we've had a chance to work with.
Opo.
kamusta na yung friendship nyo so far? Because 1 year na rin kayo magkakilala since PBB.
Yes.
Well, it doesn't change much. I mean, we see each other all the time. Good Vibes. It's still
Opo.
every week.
Pwede na bang mag-boyfriend si Devon? Kasi
18
18
na.
Hindi na ako. Hindi pa muna po. Bawal pa daw.
Still very busy.
First muna, career and studies. So, yun po.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Lapot-lapot na yun.